Hi everyone, this is by Riza Low, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a playlist just like this one. Okay, so like this one. Um, so as you can see, there are few videos. I think this has 8 videos in it. In this playlist. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. But for those people who doesn't know the importance of making a playlist or having a playlist, so playlists help us with our watch hours. So instead of you pressing one video at a time, if you want to increase your watch hours or a friend of yours want to help you with your watch hours, then they can just play a playlist and then it will automatically play by itself until all the videos in it is done. And the second thing is that you can categorize your playlist according to your niche or your topic, so that if you have a different topic on your channel and you got a viewers that only want a certain topic, then they can just go in that playlist and watch all the videos on that similar videos that they like why they are on your channel. Okay, so let's go and make a playlist. So, assuming that you are already logged into your YouTube account and you are in this screen, so press the YouTube Studio, okay, and then go to playlist. It's on the left hand side of your screen. So, playlist. And then on the right upper hand side of your screen, you can see new playlist. It's right here, new playlist. So press that. And then it will appear playlist title. So you just put your title, whatever title you want to put it there. Like you say, I don't know, videos one. Okay, and then put create. All right, and then there you see all that you already created your playlist. So up here is if you wanna change the title. If you don't like the title that you put, so you can always change it in here. And here if you wanna put description, so say if you wanna put this is about videos I created, for example. Okay, so that's good. And then save. And then to add videos to it, there you see that there is 3 dots right there. Just press that 3 dots, and then it will say add videos, collaborate, playlist setting, delete playlist. So you can see, you can, by pressing the 3 dots, you can add videos or delete the videos if you know, if that's what you want, or any of these 4. So right now we're going to add the videos. Click your YouTube videos, okay, and then it will all come out in here. So you just click, let's say I want to put this video, so click on the video that you want to add and then add videos, and then that's it. So again, let's put another one. So press the dot, add videos, your YouTube videos. Click again to the video that you want to add and then add videos in here. And then that's it. It's all done. And it's automatically saved, okay? So I go to my channel. Let's just see if it's really there. So your channel, okay, and then go to the playlist. It should be already there. And then let's see if it's there. There you go. So the playlist that we created about videos one is here and should have 2 video in it, and it's right there. If you guys want to see a more of this vlog, just comment below. Okay, thank you.